Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you that how you can create table of contents of your notes. If you have created your notes in Microsoft Word and you want table of contents of these notes, first of all understand what are table of contents. Okay, so to understand table of contents, I have this example. I'm going to top of this page. So you can see table of contents here. So if I click on trackball, then it will bring me to this page, trackball. Okay, I will go back, and if I click on system unit, it will bring me to this page, system unit. So these are called table of contents. By creating table of contents, you can easily go to your required page and you can know which topic is on which page. So how to create table of contents? Let's start. Open your document in Microsoft Word and click on home page. Okay, so you can see here different headings. Okay, so it will help you to create table of contents. For example, heading 1. So this is my first heading and I am clicking on this heading. So it will create a heading 1. Okay, this is heading 2. For me this is heading 2. So I am clicking on heading 2. Okay, and this is also heading 2. Then you need to click on heading 2, and so on. So you can see it's heading 3. So you need to click on heading 3. And according to your need, you can click on heading 4, heading 5, and so on. Again, this is heading 1, new topic. I will click on heading 1, heading 3, and do this for your whole document. Okay, heading 3. So when done all the headings, then you need to go to your top page, click here and go to references. Okay, and here click on table of contents. You can see two table of contents, automatic table 1, automatic table 2. Now the difference is here the title is contents and here the title is table of contents. You can click on table of contents. So it will automatically create table of contents for you. And when I click on keyboard with control plus click, okay, this is not PDF, this is Word. So it will bring me to this page, which is on page number 5. Okay, I'm going to go back here, press Ctrl button and click on your desired topic. It will bring you to their topic. Now if you create a new topic, the bottom of your document, for example, I have this topic, I'm going to copy to it and paste it here again, and I'm going to change the topic name to WPS, for example. Okay, now I have created the new topic here and I want to add this topic, the new topic, in my table of contents. So go back to your table of contents, go back to top, and right click here and update field and click on update entire table. So you can see the new topic is here. Now here you will also see update page number only. If you changed the page number, for example, I am changing the page number of this topic. The scanner is now on page number 6. Okay, how to change it in table of contents? Here scanner is on page number 5. So right click here, update field, and update page number only. You can see now the scanner is now on page number 6. So we can update only page number, and also you can update the whole table of contents. In the next video, I will show you how to create list of figures. Figure means your images you used in your document or in your notes. So how to create, I will tell you in the next video, inshallah.
Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe button and press the bell icon to enjoy the latest update.
Thanks for watching.